How to come up with a good business idea in step by step. Starting a business begins with a single yet crucial step: coming up with a good idea. This is the seed from which a mighty enterprise can grow, but knowing how to find and nurture this seed is key. Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle with this initial phase, not because they lack the drive or ambition, but because they're unsure of where to start or how to refine their thoughts into a viable business concept. Step 1. Identify your interests and passions. The first step in coming up with a good business idea is to look inward. Think about your hobbies, interests, and passions. What activities do you find most engaging? When do you feel most alive and energized? These questions are vital, because businesses born out of genuine interest and passion tend to have a higher chance of success. When you're passionate about what you do, it fuels your motivation and helps you persevere through challenges. Moreover, having an intrinsic interest in your business's focus area gives you an edge in terms of understanding the market and coming up with innovative solutions. To dive deep into this step, start by making a list of all your interests and passions, no matter how trivial they may seem. Step 2. Identify problems you can solve. Once you've pinpointed your areas of interest, the next step is to identify problems within those areas that you can solve. Every successful business addresses a need or solves a problem for its customers. Sometimes these problems are obvious. Other times, they're hidden or not fully addressed by current market offerings. Your goal here is to observe, research, and ask questions to uncover these problems. Think about your own experiences, talk to people within your interest areas, and use online forums and social media to understand the challenges people face. For this step, it's crucial to approach it with an open mind and a keen sense of empathy. Try to put yourself in the shoes of potential customers. What frustrates them? What can make their lives easier, more enjoyable, or more fulfilling? Don't rush this process. Spend time gathering insights and ideas, and then evaluate them critically. Step 3. Research the market. Understanding the market is crucial before moving forward with your business idea. This step involves conducting thorough market research to validate the demand for your solution and to identify your competition. Start by exploring if there are existing solutions to the problem you've identified. If there are, consider how your solution could be different, better, or more appealing to your target audience. Look into the size of the market, current trends, and any gaps that you might fill. This information is vital for understanding the viability of your idea and for positioning it in a way that stands out. To conduct effective market research, use a mix of primary and secondary sources. Primary research might involve surveys, interviews, or focus groups with potential customers to gather first-hand information about their needs and preferences. Step 4. Test your idea. After identifying a problem you're passionate about solving and conducting market research, the next step is to test your idea. This doesn't mean launching a full-scale business overnight. Instead, think about creating a minimum viable product, MVP, the simplest version of your product or service that allows you to gather feedback from early users. The aim here is to test your assumptions about your business idea and to learn from real-world application. This feedback is invaluable for making adjustments before investing significant time and resources into full-scale development. Testing your idea requires a willingness to be flexible and to listen to your potential customers. Use their feedback to refine your offering. What features do they find most valuable? What could be improved? Are there aspects of your product or service that aren't necessary? This iterative process of testing, feedback, and adjustment is critical for honing in on what makes your business idea compelling. Step 5. Create a business plan. With a refined idea and feedback from your target market, it's time to start planning how to turn your concept into a viable business. Creating a detailed business plan is crucial at this stage. This document should outline your business idea, the problem it solves, your target market, competitive analysis, marketing and sales strategies, operational plan, and financial projections. A comprehensive business plan serves as a roadmap for your business, helping you to think through all aspects of your venture and to communicate your vision to potential investors or partners. Writing a business plan might seem daunting, but it's an essential step in the process of starting a business. It forces you to think critically about every aspect of your idea and to consider its feasibility from a holistic perspective. Take your time with this step, do thorough research, and don't hesitate to seek feedback from mentors or experienced entrepreneurs. They can provide invaluable insights and help you spot potential issues or areas for improvement that you might have overlooked. As you draft your business plan, focus on clarity and realism. Step 6. Build your brand and online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. This step is about building your brand and establishing an online platform where customers can learn about your business, your products or services. Your brand is more than just a logo or a color scheme. It's the entire experience customers have with your company. It includes your business name, how you communicate your message, and the emotions you want your customers to feel when they interact with your brand. Think carefully about your brand identity and how it reflects your business values and the solution you're offering. Creating a website, being active on social media, and possibly starting a blog are effective ways to build your online presence. These platforms allow you to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build a community around your brand. Use these channels to tell your story, showcase your expertise, and provide insights into your business journey. Step 7. Launch your business. With your business plan in place, your brand established, and your online presence built, it's time to launch your business. Launching involves more than just making your product or service available. It's about strategically introducing your business to the market. This might include a launch event, an online marketing campaign, or a special promotion to generate buzz and attract your first customers. Plan your launch carefully to make a strong first impression and to capitalize on the momentum it generates. Before the launch, ensure that everything is in order, from product development to customer service processes. Use your network to spread the word, and consider partnerships with other brands or influencers that share your target audience. The goal of your launch is not just to attract initial customers, but to gather feedback, learn, and continue refining your offering. Step 8. Continuously improve and scale your business. After launching, your focus should shift to growing and improving your business. Analyze the feedback and data you've gathered from your customers in the market. Identify areas where you can improve your product or service, streamline your operations, or enhance your customer experience. Growth often involves experimenting with new marketing strategies, exploring additional revenue streams, or expanding your product line. However, it's essential to balance innovation with consistency, ensuring that you maintain the quality and values that attracted your customers in the first place. Scaling your business requires careful planning and execution. As you grow, you may need to hire additional staff, invest in new tools or technologies, or expand your operations. Each of these steps presents its own set of challenges, but with a solid foundation and a clear vision, you can overcome them. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.